Raise the hands. Raise the hands. Okay. Nice to meet you. High five. Hug me. Hug Papaki. Kissy Papaki. Okay. Come on, sit down here. Sit right. Sit right. Now say the eyes. Where are the eyes? Nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, head. Head చూపి. Head. Hair. Sit right. Sit right. I said sit right. Sit right. Now hold the hands. Show me the eyes again. Nose, mouth, teeth, tongue. Tongue. Okay. Hands, stomach, legs, knees, fingers. Show me the finger. Okay. Come on, good night. Good night. How can you say good night? Good night. Namaste. Thank you. Bye.